In this video, I'm going to show you how to save more money. So if you're a Cameroonian and you're suffering to save money, this app is going to help you save more money, and also the app is going to give you an interest on your saving depending on the saving goal you choose. So the app is called Nkwa. So when you get to Nkwa for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. So my network is slow. So you can read all what is written here, what Square is all about, but I already know all of that, so no need. I'm just going to verify my phone number that I used. I already have an account, so I'm just going to verify my phone number. Okay, I just did this a couple minutes ago, so I don't have to verify my phone number again. I just have to go ahead and log in. Now, before I log in, I want to say create an account is very simple. If you don't have an account yet, just come to register. And then when they ask you to verify your phone number, you verify your phone number, MTN, Orange, whatever phone number you're using. Then it's going to go ahead to ask for your name, your Gmail, and a password. Then you go ahead to create that. And also, they're going to ask you if you have a referral code or not, or how you heard about them. If you have a referral code, use it. You might have a bonus. But if you don't have, go ahead and create your account. So as I said, I already have an account. I'm just going ahead to log in. Alright, so that's my Gmail account and password, and I click on login. So when I log into Inquire, here's how it comes. You can allow push notifications. Now, what I have to do is choose a goal that I want to log in, that I want to save money from. So I come to Quad goals, and now I choose. You can be with your community of friends, or you can do your personal goals. So I go here and I want to create a goal. So I want to this is January at the point of making this video. Maybe I want to save money for next Christmas. So I search around here to see if there is Christmas, and I take Christmas. So I want to save money for my Christmas. How much do I want to save? I can choose the amount of money I want to save for Christmas. Maybe it's 50,000. Or maybe I want to save, let's say I want to go 250,000 before Christmas. This in France CFA. So go categories is a trend. So uh I'm saving for Christmas, all right? Or what do I want to spend on Christmas? Maybe I want to go and enjoy my life or start a business, whatever. So my goal is Christmas. Okay, let's just choose any category, because just any category that good for you. What do you want to buy in Christmas? If you want to start a business, good and fine. So that's my goal for Christmas, and I want to save 250,000. I click on proceed. I'm going to proceed. Here they're going to ask me that how much do I want to quite to cut if I decide to withdraw my money before time. The essence is because we as humans, when we're saving money, especially in a piggy bank, we are always tempted to withdraw the money before time, or when our goals haven't already reached. On Quad made in such a way that you cannot withdraw your money before the time you set. So for instance here, if I'm withdrawing, if I set 45%, this means that if I plan to withdraw my money before 25 December this year, Kwa is going to take 45% of my money. So this motivates me not to withdraw the money. Let's say for instance I have 100,000 I've saved on Kwa, and maybe around July I decide to withdraw that 100,000. Kwa is going to cut 45,000 for themselves and give me just 55,000 of my own money. Because of that, that's going to make me not to withdraw. So you always put a percentage that is good for you. If you are serious enough to save, put a higher percentage. If you are serious, yes, put a higher percentage. Because if I put 2% or 4%, it's very tempting for me to withdraw the money when the time hasn't reached. So I proceed. So I had to finalize my details. Goal name Christmas, withdrawal penalty 45%, amount 250,000, withdrawal date, that cash bonus. So if I save my money up to that period, Kwai is going to give me a 3.5% cash interest on my money. So as I'm saving, I'm still going to get money for saving. So I just go ahead and create goal. So I'm gonna view my goal. So anytime I can add money. If you want to add money, just come here and click on add money, and then you choose where you want to add the money to, and then I go to Christmas, and then I proceed to how much I want to add. How much do I want to add? Let's say I want to add 10,000 for my Momo. Then I go ahead and select my mobile money account. I have added mobile money account yet, so I have to go and add my mobile money account. Come back to screen and then click on add number. So I want to use an MTN number. So I'm going to add my phone number, this one that I'm currently using. If you go and withdraw money from me, it's your fault. But you cannot. So once I've added that, transaction initiated. Hey, alright, so that's my phone number. For me to call, to validate my phone number, I'm going to put in my PIN. Alright, so now my phone number has been validated, and there is now a phone number here. So once that is done, I can continue saving. So that's my phone number and it's pending. So if I want to add money, I just go to so it shows that my addition has been done. I just go to my goals. I want to save for my goals, and I choose my goals, and I want to save 10,000. Then I choose my number, and I go ahead and fund it. So that's it. Very simple. Use Kwa. You want to save money for whatever goal you want, and you're going to enjoy this. If you don't have the link, download Kwa. Check my comment sections below, or check the description of this video. I'm going to add a link for you to download for Kwa and a code to use so they can get a bonus when you create your account. Go there and enjoy saving money with Kwa.